Alright, here's how you change a thermostat on 2003 Jaguar S-Type R, the supercharged 4.2 liter V8. There's a shot of the engine. First, you want to remove your clips off the air box. Disconnect your mass airflow sensor cable. Vacuum line. Disconnect the hose clamp. Pull this off first. Pop it out. It's hooked down there. Remove it. There's your thermostat right in there. There's a T30 Torx bolt. There's one there, and one down here. If you put an extension between this cable and the valve cover, put it right through there, you can get that other one. Pull this one off, a whole bunch of coolant dumps out. Pry your thermostat out. Pop that ring out. Throw it away. Get a new one. Put it in there. Close it back up. Screw it back in. Put it all back together. You're done. America.